Guide to Write Abstracts for Beginners, from the Lessons of the Research Methodology Training Program. What is an abstract? The word abstract comes from the Latin abstractum, which means a condensed form of a longer piece of writing. For what purpose do we write abstractions? Abstracts are necessary for research papers, theses, dissertations, reports, and other academic assignments. People read the abstract first when they want a quick overview of the entire work, even if it is the last thing you write. Abstract types. Abstracts can be classified into two main categories: descriptive and informative. The work being abstracted is described in a descriptive abstract. It is typically quite brief, 100 words or less, and serves as an outline for the work. Writing useful abstracts is a common habit. The context, topic, aim or purpose of the research, technique employed, findings/results/discussion, conclusions, and occasionally even ramifications are all included in informative abstracts, which serve as stand-ins for the whole publication. Another kind is known as extended abstract. What constitutes a strong abstract? One well-developed paragraph or page that is clear, succinct, and coherent, and that can stand alone as a unit of information, is used in an effective abstract. Addresses all of the fundamental academic components of the full-length article or dissertation, including the problem, background, methods, results, discussions, and conclusions. It contains no information that is not provided in the paper, is understandable to both a general audience and your discipline-specific audience, often in a more basic form for the casual reader, usually does not include any in-text citations or references. In a journal, it is at the beginning of the text, whereas in an academic assignment, it is on a distinct preparatory page. Steps for writing an abstract. 1. Begin by rereading your paper/dissertation to get a general overview. 2. Read each section and condense the material into 1 to 2 sentences. 3. Review these sentences again to ensure they cover the main themes of your work. 4. Write a response to each of the important points above. 5. Consider reducing word length by removing unneeded words or reworking phrases for greater clarity. 6. Check flow, expression, and grammar. What to include in an abstract. The format of your abstract will depend on the discipline in which you are working. However, all abstracts generally cover the following 7 sections. 1. Background. What is the importance of the research? How it is academically and practically important. 2. Research problem. How it is a problem that should be justified with evidence. 3. Objectives. What goals and specific aims expected to achieve. 4. Methodology. What research design and methods used to achieve the objectives. 5. Findings/results and discussions. From the analysis, what were found and discussed. 6. Conclusions. Accordingly, what are the conclusions? 7. Implications. Sometime implications are also written. How does this work add to the body of knowledge on the topic? Are there any practical or theoretical applications from your findings or implications for future research? Keywords 3 to 5 should also be given last according to alphabetical order. Word count normally in between 200 to 350. Must normally be in one page.